Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix HiTV app download problem. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or unstable connection can prevent apps from downloading properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restarting your router. Next, check if your phone has enough storage space. If your device is running low on storage, delete any unnecessary files or apps. Then try downloading HiTV again. Now, open the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for HiTV, and try installing it again. Sometimes, a simple reinstall fixes the issue. Still not working? Make sure your device is compatible with the HiTV app. Visit the apps page in the store and check if it supports your phone's model and Android/iOS version. If the issue continues, try clearing the cache of your app store. Go to Settings, Apps and Notification. Search for Google Play Store or App Store, tap it, and then tap Clear Cache. This can resolve hidden download issues. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.